Hamdan bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Chairman of 2.0, Deputy Prime Minister Mohammad Ishaq Dar, Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, Sayyid Muhammad Bashar, and Advisor on Privatization, Government of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali, Federal Ministers, members of UAE delegation, parliamentarians, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. Your Highness, it's great pleasure to welcome you here in your second home, Pakistan, and please convey my very warm regards to my very dear brother, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, President of UAE. As we all know, his late father, your grandfather, Sheikh Zayed, may Allah grant him place in Jannah, truly loved Pakistan and the people of Pakistan. He would think of Pakistan and support Pakistan. List of his generosity will not finish. And today again we have, in the shape of his great son, my very dear brother, the President of UAE, his heart beats with Pakistanis. And today we are witnessing the signing ceremony because of His Highness's vision, his commitment to support Pakistan's economy and have joint ventures, promote trade in a way which is a win-win situation. Alhamdulillah, privatization of First Women's Bank of Pakistan is the first drop of rain, Rahma min Matar, and inshallah this will be the beginning of a very long, happy journey towards building our economic relations, joint ventures, investments in various fields, which will ultimately give dividends to both sides. I remember, Your Highness, that when we took over this government back in March 2024, this was one of the first topics which propped up during our discussion. And Field Marshal, proactive as he is, has a mind always alert, focused on issues very sharply. This project he raised last year. Rest is history. And Alhamdulillah today, through a great teamwork led by obviously former Chairman Privatization, Mr. Aleem Khan, and Secretary Commerce and other team members, again at that point in time fully strategically supported by the Field Marshal, and now led by Mr. Muhammad Ali. I don't know him from Adams. I met him first time last year. I think he's an excellent choice for this purpose, and he has seamlessly clinched this issue with his counterparts and very ably supported by Deputy Prime Minister, who is head of this committee. Today we witness signing ceremony, and this bank, First Women's Bank, meant for our female entrepreneurs, female businesswomen, female strategists in the field of IT field of commercial business ventures, joint ventures, will have a great opportunity through the windows of this bank to really grow in their field and expand in whichever field of industry, agriculture and commerce they would want to. And this bank, I know, will now progress by leaps and bounds through very professional management and of course very visionary leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to conclude that this is the beginning of a journey of happiness, prosperity and progress between the two great brotherly countries, UAE and Pakistan. I know that many projects are in the pipeline under discussion between the two teams, and inshallah in times to come we will have such many ceremonies in days, weeks and months to come. I have not used the word year consciously because this work has to be completed in days, weeks and months and not in years. God bless UAE, Pakistan friendship. Allah give you more power to do these projects in times to come. And this is a portfolio which I am also following very eagerly, because we have to completely restructure our state-owned enterprises, which are many but are not running efficiently. And our aim is, our commitment to the people of Pakistan is that we are going to restructure everything and private sector will run business. We will be acting as a catalyst to promote business but not do business as government. Thank you very much. Pakistan, UAE friendship Zindabad.